Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to play co-op online with your friends in Duet Night Abbeys, how you can unlock it, how you can invite the friends and join the same world without errors. These are the things that I'm about to show you in this video. So first of all, you need to understand that co-op isn't unlocked right away. You first need to finish the early story missions until the game introduces you the co-op mode feature. This usually happens after the chapter 2 when both of your characters and the base functions are unlocked. So once that is done, you can open the main menu and then you can tap on the option of co-op icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. There you will see two different options. The first would be of host and the second would be of joining a friend. So if you are hosting, you need to set up your privacy to friends only, and then you can share your room ID and invite directly from your friends list. Now, if your friend is hosting, you just have to simply enter their room ID and you need to click on the option of the join friend option. Just make sure that you are both on the same server region or the invite won't work. You can also explore, fight enemies and complete the side quests together, but keep in mind that story missions are still solo. For smoother gameplay, both the players should have a stable connection and the simple progression levels. So this keeps the world level balanced. And that's it. That's how you can play co-op with your friends in Duet Night Abbeys. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.